Hey everyone! So today we are going to be doing a slightly different video. I am going to show you how to explain, I guess, what happens to paper when it gets wet, like really wet though. So you can try this out yourself, but I just decided to make a video of it. So when paper gets wet, we all know something like this might happen. It'll kind of be, grayish, like this. But what happens if you go overboard? And that's what we're going to be finding out today. So, to do this, we are going to be going over to the sink. And we're just going to be putting the paper in. So, what happened? It turned into this. The little gray things. If it would focus. Just a bunch of gray dots. What if we continue? There's a little puddle with the water, so I'm going to take that off. And let's get this one off that water here. At this point, since paper is white, it is transparent, and you can see my counter through it. Now what happens if we fold the paper? Well, you can't exactly do that, because since paper is very delicate, it'll start ripping. And now we have two sides of paper. How do you pick this up? You're going to want to grab it right here. And now we're going to see what happens if you fold it. Now, what if I put it in the sink like this? The answer is nothing. It'll keep its shape. Paper can keep its shape, but it can break if you put it into water. You might experience a problem though. Some of it is staying up. This is because we folded it like this into this shape, and now some of it is staying up. So paper becomes transparent when you get it really wet like this. And it'll rip like this. And rip pretty smoothly. It won't make any noise since of how wet it is. See? And if you put it into a shape, it will keep its shape even after putting it into the water. But what happens when this happens? It is floating on the water, and the water is causing it to get out. So sometimes it doesn't always keep its shape. It depends on the shape you will keep it in. Sorry if that's a little confusing, but depending on the shape that it will you keep it in, it might unfold. I know I said that it'll just keep its shape before. Sorry, I said the wrong thing. Depending on which shape you put it in, it will unfold very slowly. Sometimes it won't unfold. So that's what happens when paper gets wet. I am not a teacher or anything. I just wanted to teach you guys that. Thank you for watching.